Got it here, Bosch hammer drill. So let's open it up. We've been using it quite a bit. So what do we need to do? There is a plug light, service light. If a service light on, you have to clean it. This side here, the level of intensity up and down. This side here, vibration control. You see it? And there's a swivel light here, nice. Then you press it and lock it in, so you don't have to constantly hold it, and then release it, and then it will stop. That's cool. Okay, and it's a plug-in. There's a nice plug. This handle rotates and twists. So then there's a quick release. Comes with the grease and a towel. Okay, we're gonna show you guys quickly how to install it. Okay, nice. So how do you release it now? Quick release right here. So there's two modes, hammer and hammer drill. Wow.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's 10 inches right there.
10 inches, there you go. Wow. That's some really strong concrete too. Got it here, hook knife or carpet cutter with this really cool little folder. So we'll put it to the test, see how it cuts. It goes in one of these multi-tool. Got it here, hook knife or carpet cutter for Starlock. You got one of these multi-tools. So I'll go on this Starlocks. So let's see how it works. Wow, like butter. Ooh, that's good. And did it cut to the pudding? Yes, it did too. Wow. Let's keep on going. Wow, good, good. Wow, that makes it so easy. Got a here 3.5 gallon pressure tank by Husqvarna. Okay, we're gonna fill it up and show you how it works. Okay, then we're gonna put the pump in. Make a little mess. Okay, that's it. screw it on and pump it.
When you down, can lock.
Okay, plug it in.
See?
Sweet.
So
Okay.
it's plugged in. I'm gonna do one. Okay. And this is the water. It releases the water right here.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is. See?
Okay. Husqvarna cut and braid key 4000 dual blade. It can cut up to 16 inches. So we will show you how it used. And it has GFI breaker. It said test. So it is electric. So it's perfect for using it for indoors.
Yeah, there it is. See?
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice.
See? And then this just comes right out.
Sweet. Oh, and then you keep on going. Okay, and the end result, boom, a big piece of chunk of a concrete. Look how thick that is, about 10 inches right there. Got it here, laser level by Klein tool. This thing is pretty cool. Let's put it to the test. So there's a lock for auto level. I'll show you how it works. There's a this way level, and you see if you shake it, you see it's auto level. And then when you push it, so this way, you see how it's like kind of swimming, adjusting. Very cool. So how do we use it? Let's look at it. Let's turn off this one. So we can check to see if our door frame level, ooh, they did a good job, probably use this level over here. And also if it cannot be leveled, it will blink. You see? That means it's not standing correctly. Even a tiny little bit. You see how it's swinging in there? Oh, I need to adjust it. That's cool. So if it's too much, blinking. Also, if you want to check if your like picture frames or shelves are leveled, looks like somebody didn't use this level, and look, it's not leveled at all. As you can see, the bottom is touching and the top is totally off. So even like setting up the shelves or pictures, it's so useful. And for example, look how much it swivels. Because I'm holding it, it's turned to auto level. You see both of them are turned on, so you can adjust it. That's how you recharge it right here, internal battery. So, and it tells you how charged it is right here on top. And okay, what else it comes with? Magnets on this side, and it's a stand. So you can even magnetize it to something, maybe a tripod, and level it wherever you have to. It swivels all the way. That is a really cool tool. And it comes with one of these wire USB chargers. Got it here, Makita pump. So the features right here, you have a bicycle inflator, a ball inflator needle, it locks in into here, and then all of your pool noodles and things like that, or pool inflatables goes with this one. The battery will go in here on the off button. Let's plug in the battery. Looks nice and comfortable. Where's the balance? Right here, so it's really easy to carry it. Let's take this out and let's turn it on. And I want to talk about how easy it is to adjust PSI. You don't have to sit there, click one at a time. You press and hold and goes quick. Once you get closer, you slow it down. There is a PSI. There is PSI. There is bar. There is kPa and PSI. Okay. Press and hold. So you plug it in and lock it, and you see it will stop losing air as soon as you lock it. It tells you current PSI on the tire, 28.5. Press and hold. Whoa, it goes up fast. Wow. Very nice and comfortable while we're holding and waiting. Oh, look, clear flashlight too. That is nice. Okay, and that's automatically stopped. Can tap it off, I guess. You can tap it off, and now it's not tapping it off. That is cool. Wow. Easy to remove it and press it off. Beautiful. I love that tool. It's fast. Got it here, Makita grinder. We had this tool for 2.5 years. It's really nice. Works really well. As you can see, been worked quite a bit. It has electric brake in it. There's an on and off button. You kind of push it and forward, push it down and forward. If you try to push it this way, it will not turn on. So push it down and forward. Very nice and comfortable. So that's a shield. You can rotate it from side to side. This is really nice and comfortable. Wow. Ooh, that's cool. Easy
spark arrestor.
Okay. And okay. Oh wow, that's easy. There's a button you push on and pull it all out.
Yeah, it's like the hold.
Wow, okay. Oh, well, that was used just now, cutting plastic. Wow, that was fast. So you don't have to hold it, you just press it and goes. And okay. Wow, and there is a battery life. Got it here, Makita multi-tool Starlock Max. We got here 3 different locks: Starlock, Starlock Plus, and Starlock Max. As you can see, 3 different blades can go in it. And this side here on and off, and it's speed 1 to 6. The batteries will go on to here, and there's a locking system. And lock it and turn it on. Very cool, and it has a flashlight in front of it. Got it here, Bosch wide chisel for hammer drill. We're gonna try to use it, see how it works. Sweet. Go.